guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a haul video for you today. I'm at a couple places, so find out what I got. Stick around. Okay guys, so today I went to Dollar General and Ulta. First, just Dollar General real quick. I went there and I got two of these just because I love them. Like, I love the little bristles on them. Like, they're awesome for, you know, crease, whatever. But I got one to put in a giveaway. And one for myself, even though I already have one. Two. I got myself a new brush. Ooh, and I dropped it. But I thought it was really cute. It has a little thing on it. I got my daughter some of the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. She really likes this. So I got her that. And I wanted to try this really bad, so I got the Mega Glow Makeup Stick Highlight in the color When the Nude Strikes. I'll do a little swatch for you guys. I actually made another video, but it's going to be in tomorrow's video. I'm going to post that video. So it'll show me using this. Okay, and oh, I got this cup. Have a Fabulash Day. Oh, that was really cute. It was only $2, and ew, look how dirty that is. I'm just gonna sit that down here. Okay, and that's all I got from Dollar General. And I also went to Five Below and Orange Julia's. I love their triple berry smoothies. Oh my god. Okay, so from Five Below I got a power bank. I needed one of these really bad because my phone's always going dead. I got it's supposed to be the foundation brush, but I've never had this one. It's one of the ones I actually don't have. There's no way you can do your foundation with this. This feels more like a, if you can see, more of a concealer brush. I was hoping to find, let's see where this other one is. These are all the ones that I have. I have like a lot of those. I really like them. But, I was hoping to find another one of these, because like this one's like decent. I mean, it's not like great, but it just, you know, this one's a little flimsy, but I love these. You can see I use this one. That's why I got another one of them. And I love using this one for powder, that one for powder. And this one I used to use as a highlight, but it worked good for a contour. But yeah, so I got that. I got myself a headband, little sleigh, and oh, also, everybody's been talking about this. I'll try to open it. Everybody's been talking about this, so I thought, you know, hey, I'll just give it a little try because I wanted to see for myself how great this really is. So I got the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. See that? I think it's in, oh, it's in the shade Precious Pearls. So let's do a little swatchy of that. You wipe this other highlight off. That's kind of nice. So I got that to try. Two different highlighters. And that's it for Five Below. Now, the exciting parts. my Ulta. Got quite a few things there. First of all, I got some more of those Ardell. Like, I like them. Like, that's what I have on today, the eyelashes. I think they're awesome. So, I got two pairs of Wispies. I thought they were, like, pretty cool. They were, like, $6.99, I think, up there. But I thought those were nice. So, I got some of them. And then, I found these. And I really wanted to try these because I've heard good and bad things. But we will see. I got these lashes. They're just, they don't say what ones they are. It just says $8.57 on the back. So, I don't know. But I thought that was like a good deal. You can see those. Yeah, they look really pretty. I mean, they kind of look similar to these ones, but like more, you know, like more real, you know? If it's focusing. So I figured I'd give that a try. I've never paid $17 for a pair of lashes before in my whole life. So I figured, let's see. Plus the band's really small on it, so. Okay. And the next thing I got was a contour brush. Because I was saying earlier this morning, I wish I had a contour brush that I really, really liked. So, you know what I did? Okay, so I have this highlight brush. A highlight brush. I use it. I like it for highlights. I went and got the exact same one for contour. So now I have two Morphe M530s. Why would I do that? Why? Such a damn idiot. That's okay, because I could use this one like strictly for contour. And then just use this one for, what do you call it? And I was actually going for a blush brush, but I didn't get one. I can't believe I got the exact same dang brush I had. They don't have like very many, you know, very many Morphe brushes up there. It's like they have the big powder brushes and they have like the fan brush, and I just don't dig the fan brushes. Like, I just don't. I don't know. I finally got this. I've been wanting this forever. It is the melted latex girl on top. It's just the clear. I've been wanting this for a while. I mean, I love just like lip gloss, and I'm not going to use this for a top coat. I'm just going to use it for lip gloss. Look how shiny. Okay. Anyway, that's that. Let me put that away. Oh no! My lipstick trays are totally full. What do you do? I guess I'll sit over here. Okay. So the next thing I got is, like, I needed this. I think I was just saying the other day, I have like 20 mascaras, but all the big hype, I just had to see what it's all about. So I got the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. And I looked at the brush up at Ulta, and oh, how fancy. Came with like this, came like that, like all wrapped around. I don't even know what this is about. Let's just see what it says. I never look at these things. Oh, it just says all the stuff that's in it. It says 36-hour Full blast volume. Instrumental test on 21 women. 90% saw dramatic volume. 94% said it instantly lifted lashes. 92% said that it lengthened lashes. Self-evaluation by 102 women after 1 week. Gravity-defying formula contains no aeroparticles. One of the least known materials used in astronaut spacesuits. It's so hard to read this stuff. It creates massive volume without weighing down lashes. Layers easily for bigger and better impact. The big slim packed. Ain't that just fancy? Anyway, so supposedly this is supposed to be just miraculous. That's a long word. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. And not just fancy up here. I could like poke someone with that. And this is what hopefully it's focusing for you guys. It's like smaller bristles at the end. So we'll see how that is. And I don't have a spot for that either. Oh gosh, guys, I need a new organizer. Okay, and the very last thing in my bag. I always fold my bags. How weird am I? Give me a minute so I can fold this. I'm like the weirdest person ever. It's like, I should have just crumpled it up. The last thing I got was the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating foundation. The last time I got it in a lighter color, so I actually got the right stuff. I got Fair Light Neutral, and this one is Fair Light Neutral. So, get this out of here. Put that in a box inside of a box. I don't remember my hydrating coming like that, but could be wrong. Anyway, so I guess, you know, the only difference is the one has the little hydrating thing there. But I've been, the last time the shade didn't match me, you know, so I wanted, you know, I just want to swatch both these side by side to show you guys if you can see the difference. I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. But there is actually a shade difference. So, just so you know. If you didn't know, now you do. Okay. So, the top one is the hydrating. The bottom one is the matte. I don't know if you can tell the difference there. The shade difference. But there is. I'll even see if it'll look better if I rub it in. Oh yeah, you can see. I mean, you can kind of see the difference, the top and the bottom. You can see the difference there. Like the matte is a little lighter, and as you see, like the hydrating kind of like blends into my skin. Hopefully you can't see that. I'm not just sounding like a weirdo. But yeah, so that is all I got. Smearing stuff all over. But tomorrow I will use the hydrating and see how it goes. But we can try out this Wet n Wild highlighter at least. I was like so excited today because whenever I went up to Ulta, I got like two compliments on my makeup. They're like, oh my god, I love your makeup. Da, 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 what'd you use? And I told them I use a soft glam palette. They're like, oh my gosh, we sold out of that in an hour. I was like, wow, really? So like my Ulta here sold out of that palette in an hour. It's crazy. Okay, so let's just see. I mean, I have a little bit of highlighter on, but you can tell a difference there. From that side, from this side. I mean, I already have highlight on the other one, but we'll just put some on there again. I mean, this is powdery. Do a little on the nose. It's nice. Like, it's a nice little subtle, natural look. But yeah. I mean, so this is pretty cool. I'll probably end up giving that to my daughter. Maybe, if she wants it. Because I don't really like the light, subtle stuff like she does. But I really don't like it so much. I need to start doing more things with my hair. Like, I don't know what the heck to do with my hair anymore. It's just kind of like, bleh. And then like to leave it down, you know, I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah, they also didn't have the shape tape up there. They had no shape tape. Oh, gone. And I was like so mad. Like, because I actually wanted to pick up another one. But they did not have it. I'm kind of anxious to, try out this power bank. I mean, it's only $5 at Five Below. So I'm kind of anxious to, geez, my nose is so itchy now. Kind of anxious to try it out and see how it works. So tomorrow, don't miss my video. It's going to be a get ready with me, and I'll show you how I did this look. And actually, at the beginning of this video, I was going to do a, take you on a walk with me, with Bubby, but it was too dark, and there was like a really creepy man down the alley, and I ended up turning around and coming back, so that didn't work out. But anyway, guys, I don't want to take up any more of your time. Just keep an eye out for my video tomorrow, and I want to say thank you to all my supporters. If you are not subscribed to me, please make sure you do, and also click the little bell down below so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.